Got a new giant of old down here on the creek that comes out of Delmo. Right there's its face. You can see the left eye, right eye, and then you can see the mouth. And then this center part here, it almost looks like a face, but it should be the body. And then right there would be the legs, but it looks a little weird. Also looks like rock from like Göbekli Tepe or stuff in Peru. Montezuma also, the Aztec stuff. It looks like that. It looks like a wall. And I'm way up about 6,000 feet in elevation. But that face. My goodness.
And I'm running out of nothing right now.
Alright, that's all I've got.
You want me to
There's
go
some
move
good
back on my
ones.
stick here?
No, that's alright.
No, let me go with the stick.
That face right beside